Protest of the junior doctors, junior resident and senior residents against the heinous and atrocious rape and murder case that has happened in RG Kar College of Kolkata. So we as a doctor from Goa Medical College are protesting in solidarity with the rest of the nation while they are protesting so that the victim might get the immediate justice in RG Kar rape and murder case.
This protest is basically to support the national event, and we are requesting for speedy justice, and central government to look into the issue for speedy justice, and we are also hoping to get some law, some central law, so that there is some uniform protection act for all over India doctors, all the healthcare workers rather.
The purpose of this protest is simple. We stand with the nation, we stand with all the doctors who support this noble cause to provide speedy justice to the victim, and so the culprits are reprimanded, they're held responsible, and for the implementation of the Central Protection Act with the Central Ministry to all the government medical hospitals all over India.
But
that is our main goal.
The protest will continue, or you are...
As of now that we have received, we are going to continue with the strike at least till tomorrow, and the whole decision about continuity of the strike will be taken on Sunday evening in conjunction with all the rest of the resident doctor associations all over India.
Till full.
We have suspended all form of routine non-essential services like OPDs, routine OTs. Emergencies, however, will be attended in full strength. No patient will be neglected in that sense.
Apart from this, on security, the answer security की भी समस्या.
See, as of now, we are not going to specify in general about it. We are only, totally we are trying to show that we are standing in support to the national cause. Here we are not demanding any form of any leverages. We are not going to talk about how it is in each and particular situation. It's not a time to be selfish. We are supporting our colleague who was wrong in front of so many people, and we can see how the things are being dealt in Kolkata. So we expect all of us to support. We expect all the media personals. We expect the non-doctor fraternity, the general public to support us for our cause.
Okay. म्हणजे तुम्ही किती कंटिन्यू करतले till
स्ट्राइक कंटिन्युटी डिसाइड करतले डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री कसे स्ट्राइक करतात त्याप्रमाणे.
As of now, only till tomorrow.
This strike, as of now till tomorrow, strike is not to harm public. It is so that we raise a voice so that the victim gets a fast justice. कितें लास्ट वीकभर जालें ताका जस्टीस मेळ्ळो ना, सो तेज्या खातीर हे जस्टीस मेळपा खातीर दिस इज एंटायर प्रोटेस्ट इज गोईंग.
ओके. तुम्ही आता डीनाक आनी एमएसाक मेळ्ळे पळय तेन्ना कितें डिस्कशन जालें?
Dean and MS have been extremely supportive. Our Dean sir, Dr. Asam Bandekar, and Rajesh Patil sir have been extremely supportive in the protest. So they सांगला की has faced and they will support us in the protest.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
पिक्चर है, थोड़ा पिक्चर लॉन्ग शॉट लेते हैं. मुझे दो लोग से फोन लेते हैं. आता मुझे थोड़ा फोन ले वही बोला. अरे ये कौन है बीच में?